Good morning, children. Welcome to another e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself, Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior Wing. Children, this video is for class 7. Children, we have already completed lesson 1 and 2. Today we'll complete lesson 3, Gopal and the Hillshappers. This is a very interesting lesson, children. It is in the form of comic. You all have read comics. Comics are very interesting. Same is the case in this. Also, it is in the form of comic and you'll enjoy reading it. Let me tell you the summary of this lesson. You all know that if there is season of anything, suppose mango, lychee, anything, you will see in everybody's hand people taking mangoes or lychees to their houses. And they always talk on the way, hey, you have purchased mangoes, what's the rate of that? Oh, I took from 20 rupees, some will say 30 rupees. Same was the case. It is a story about Gopal and Hillshappers. Gopal was a very interesting, intelligent person in the king's court. So it was the season of Hillshappers and everybody in the court also talked about Hillshappers. Whether it is neighborhood, friend circle or in the court, they always talked about Hillshappers. Now when the king came to the court, he became angry. He told them to stop talking about Hillshappers because they all were courtiers and how dare they talked about Hillshappers every time. He also gave a challenge to Gopal to buy a Hillshappers from the market and bring it to the palace without anybody asking for it. Gopal accepted the challenge. He went home and for 15 days he didn't come out. After 15 days, he half shaved his face. One side he shaved and other side he left that side. He left it. Then he wore a torn shirt and rubbed ash on his face. In this way, he looked very comic. When he went to the market to buy Hillshappers, he bought a big Hillshappers. On the way, when he was bringing, many people asked, hey, this man has gone mad. He looks so dirty. Some children would say, hey, he is so comic. That means everyone on the road asked about his face only. No one asked about Hillshappers. When he reached the gate of the court of the king's palace, even the gatekeepers did not recognize him and they did not allow him to go in. Somehow, when he went into the palace, the king saw, and then when he recognized, hey Gopal, why you are in such a comic condition? He told, sir, my majesty, you have forgotten the challenge you had given to me. The king recalled his challenge and then he rewarded Gopal. Gopal again proved that he was the most intelligent person in his kingdom. That's all, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.